It's funny you mentioned that because I had another question from an accountant that was like, can AI do data cleaning? And I said, no, AI can't. Well, it could, but there's better ways of doing it. You're thinking of it the wrong way. You're trying to find a use case for AI instead of thinking, my data, again, back to strategy, my data's unclean, I don't trust it. I need better data. That's my strategic thing, get better data. Then you need to go, well, what's the best way of cleaning it? The best way of cleaning it is to run it through workflows that take out punctuation marks that shouldn't be there, making it formatted to all be the same thing so it's all aligned. AI is not the best tool for that. Python scripting or SQL is probably better for that. Not that you need to know that, but if you do data cleaning in here, that's great, but are you going to save a copy of that data every time you put it through? So if you format column E, are you going to save that so it's got what we call data lineage, which means every time you make a change to the data, you should be keeping a record of it so that you can roll the clock back. If you don't, then you've kind of lost that data and you don't know where it came from, which means when mistakes are made, you can't roll it, but you don't really know what the original data was, or you've got the original data that came in and then you've got the end product, but you cannot for the life of you remember what 10 different people did in that spreadsheet. So by doing it in a different way, you can do it what we call best practice, which is by saying, right, we'll keep the spreadsheets because people know how to use them. I'm not saying move away from spreadsheets. I'm just saying go back to your strategy and think, is Excel the best way of analysing data en masse?